Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you found any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel, we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, have XTZ with the USDT or the Tezos token with the Tether US dollar, and Tezos is sitting at price of around 2.87 US dollars. Today we are down 10 cents or approximately 3.52%. But it is what it is though. This was being like expected, because look, this is my prediction and it is moving in my favor, but just when I saw that the trend is getting like exhausted, I just made a quick prediction about that. So let me just, this will be looking more beautiful, okay? So I just moved it and just scaled the times, okay? So yeah, this is my prediction about that, and it is moving in my favor. And as you can see, this candle right here is telling me that this, like, first of all, the previous candle tells me that this is a pin bar, kind of a pin bar with a bigger body, and this tells me that the bulls are into the market. So what we did, we just retest this zone right here, this, like, retest that zone, or this lower high, yeah, lower high. Then this is the retest zone. This is where we're retesting, and we're just going to be pushing to the upside. But all of these other huge time frames, this is just on a higher time frames, okay? So this zone is where we are in right now, and like, we can do just this, like, never pass through all of these highs and just keep pushing to the downside, which in this case I think that will be happening, because I think that Bitcoin will be pushing down, and when Bitcoin is going to be down, everything will be down. But yeah, overall guys, let me know what are your thoughts about this. Yesterday the crypto market was up, and it was pretty up, but at the moment, let me just, let me just do that. At the moment, this is how it looks like. Let me just remove all of these lines and keep it pretty much simple. Okay, so yeah, guys, let me know what are your thoughts about Tezos. There is nothing much like I can talk about. I just want to like mumble and all these things. But yeah, this is just my prediction. I think that you understand what I'm trying to say. And yeah, peace out guys, and have a great day for the rest of your day. And if you want to support the channel, like the video. If you want to find like this kind of content and keep on watching this, like stocks, cryptos, updates about the stocks and the cryptos that you choose, you can just comment down below. But overall, I'm just doing it from my watch list. And if you're able to find your crypto or stock on my watch list, just subscribe. And if you want to find how to make money in general, this is what you're going to be finding on my channel. So make sure to stay tuned, and peace out, and have a great day.